Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deploy using change sets. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to setup, and from there, we need just to go to our setup page. After that, we need just to find our change sets. So I'm just going to search for change sets or the inbound changes sets inbound, and basically and search for any change set that you might find in your environment or in your setup. And basically here we will find our inbound changes, and simply we need just to go and deploy. So here in the inbound change sets, so as you can see, those are the connected organization and these organizations. And basically the change set either would it be from the outbound or inbound depends on what you like. If you want to have changes from the connected organization to your current organization or these environments, you will need just to go to the inbound. If it is the opposite, you go to the outbound. So I'm just going to click on continue. And from here, we will need just to have our changes. And if you want to have the outbound changes sets, you will need just to go from here. So basically, let's start these change sets and let's click on new. I'm just going to save this name as follow. And from here, you will find all the change sets components. And basically, you can add any other components and, for example, add to change set. And from here, you can either add any component time, would it be an action or anything, and then you add it to the change set, and basically you can start adding as many as you want, and you can have your uh, changes, and basically now you can upload or deploy. And now you will need just to go to the production and then you upload or deploy. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.